Today, I'm diving into a full review of Abode Security, a smart home security system designed for people who want flexible, professional-grade protection without long-term contracts. I'll be showing you the website, its features, pricing, and my personal experience using it. The first thing you see when you visit the Abode Security website is a clean and modern interface. They emphasize ease of use, which is great for first-time buyers. The homepage highlights their key selling points: DIY installation, no required contracts, and compatibility with major smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. One thing that stands out is the claim that their system is as good as traditional security companies, but without the expensive commitments. Navigating the site is straightforward. The Shop section breaks down their different security packages. Their most popular option is the Abode Smart Security Kit, which includes a hub, a motion sensor, and a couple of door/window sensors. There's also the Abode All-in-One Security Kit, which has a built-in HD camera, motion detection, and two-way voice communication. One thing to keep in mind is that while the hardware is sleek and functional, some users report that initial setup can be tricky, especially if you're integrating it with existing smart home devices. Looking at pricing, Abode offers a free self-monitoring plan, which is a plus for budget-conscious users. But if you want professional monitoring, they have two subscription plans, Standard and Pro. The Standard plan provides on-demand monitoring, while the Pro plan includes 24/7 monitoring and cellular backup. Compared to competitors like Ring and Simply Safe, Abode's plans are competitively priced but might not be the best option if you're looking for the cheapest long-term solution. When testing the system, I found that motion detection and alerts work well, but there were occasional delays in notifications. The mobile app is functional, but has a learning curve, especially when setting up automation rules. One feature I really liked is CUE, Abode's automation engine, which allows you to create complex security routines based on triggers like time of day, device status, or even weather conditions. However, some users have reported that automation can sometimes be unreliable, which is frustrating if you rely on it heavily. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Now, let's talk about customer support. Abode offers live chat, phone, and email support, but response times can be hit or miss. Some users praise their helpful agents, while others complain about long wait times and unresolved technical issues. If you're someone who values strong customer service, this is something to keep in mind. Another potential downside is the hardware quality. While most components feel solid, some users have reported connectivity issues, especially with older routers or crowded Wi-Fi networks. If you have a lot of smart home devices already, you may need to fine-tune your setup to prevent interference. Overall, Abode Security is a great choice for those who want flexibility and smart home integration without a long-term contract. It's especially ideal for renters or homeowners who don't want a fully wired security system. However, it's not perfect. Occasional app glitches, connectivity issues, and inconsistent customer service could be deal breakers for some. If you're willing to troubleshoot and fine-tune your setup, it can be a reliable security solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on smart home tech. Let me know in the comments if you've used Abode and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching.